appreciate it.
Ride on straight carbon?
Yeah.
What? It's not uncomfortable?
Honestly, not really. Unless it's like more than like an hour and a half of straight riding, you're fine.
Denial is a river in Egypt. Your husband is.
Yeah.
I looked at it and I was like, dude, I wonder if that's uncomfortable. That's sick though, bro.
No, yeah. I mean, these bikes are pretty uncomfortable anyway, so like the amount that you're enduring is already uncomfortable, you know?
You came from far?
I'm from the yeah, so a little bit. Lightweight, man.
Lightweight? Yeah.
That is sick.